Hey there, welcome back to Lost Auto. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to connect CarPlay in your car. Whether you're using a wired or wireless connection, this easy guide will help you get set up in no time. Before we start, make sure your vehicle is CarPlay compatible. Most newer cars support CarPlay, but it's always good to double check in your car's manual or the manufacturer's website. Grab your iPhone and go to Settings. Tap on General and then CarPlay. Make sure your phone is ready for connection. Now, connect your iPhone to your car. For a wired connection, simply plug it into the car's USB port. For wireless CarPlay, make sure your car is in Bluetooth pairing mode, and select your car from the list on your iPhone. Once connected, your car's display should show a prompt to enable CarPlay. Tap Enable or Start to activate it. With CarPlay up and running, you can now access your favorite apps, like Maps, Music, and Phone directly from your car's screen. It is designed to keep you connected and safe while driving. Quick tip: you can customize your CarPlay interface by going back to Settings on your iPhone, then General, and CarPlay. Here you can rearrange and organize your apps to fit your preferences. And that is how you connect CarPlay easily. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe,